Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this very delicious creamy cashew milk. Cashews are very good for you. They are anti-cancer effects, good for healthy brain function, boosts immune health, good for healthy skin, can prevent anemia. It's very good. The benefits of cashews are a lot. This milk include addition for a healthy diet, rich in nutrients, good for heart health, weight management, good for bone health, vital for good eye health, blood sugar and control. So right here I have in my Vitamix some dates. I put some cocoa powder, I added Himalayan salt, some Guar gum, little bit of vanilla flavor, and some coconut oil, as you can see. And after that, this is the cashews I've been soaking for about 24 hours. I washed them, soaked the raw cashews in the fridge in a container full of water, and now I'm adding some alkaline water to it. So all the measurements I'm going to leave in the description box so that you can follow and get this very delicious creamy cashew nut milk. I'm just going to whip this for about a minute and a half to almost 2 minutes. So now it's blending. I'm just increasing the speed in order for it to get whipped completely. This is so gorgeous and so good for you. Most times when you don't feel like eating anything during the day, this can just substitute for food. It can hold you till when you are hungry or when you need to eat something. And with all the benefits too, you can't go wrong. All the health benefits. So now our cashew nut milk is done. See how gorgeous that looks? It's as good as it looks. Drink and enjoy. So if you find this interesting, kindly click on the like button, share this video, subscribe if you haven't, and see you again in my next video by God's grace with another deliciousness. At this point I want to say enjoy your cashew milk and bye for now.